Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're revisiting a classic topic and showing you some new pops. So we've been asked to revisit this topic. Why do we love pimples, zits, cysts, and acne? Not just the people on this channel, but millions and millions of people seem to want to see pimple popping. Some people think we have an internal yearning for hygiene, something inside of us that keeps us and our families free of bacteria and viruses. Others say that it's just a morbid curiosity. We like seeing bizarre and unusual things. Do people like watching for educational reasons? On this channel, we do our best to educate the audience about what they're seeing. Another fan pointed out that they watch because of the surprise aspect. They never know what will be inside that cyst or pimple, or when it will give way and pop for that matter. Ted from Amazing Medical pointed out that grooming like this is innate. Even chimps constantly groom each other. It makes sense that we would do it too, and people have been doing it for thousands of years. Do you get a thrill out of it, like you would from watching a horror movie? Does it give you an adrenaline rush? I'd love to hear your comments and opinions. Please let us know why people watch these videos. We love to hear your comments, and we'll reply to as many as we can. Thanks for watching. Oh, and so you don't miss out on future pops, click the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. See you next time.
Hey, what's up with everybody in the world? This your boy Kylie Muscle, and as you see, I represent muscle and fitness and cuts and striations. You see what I'm saying? And this is a shout out to the team at Synergy. You guys are doing a great work, man. Nobody cares more about fitness and nutrition than I do. So keep up the good work. It's all about incredible gains and great results. Stay motivated. Love y'all. Let me give you a little more inspiration and motivation. Look at them cuts. Love you. Stay blessed.
Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand-inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.